All right, Falcons. So this is part one of our egg drop project. So I should have gone over in class with you either Wednesday or Thursday in the afternoon, depending on your period, the actual project. And then we know we have 2 Mondays to complete it. So there's part one that is for December 7th and part two that is for December 14th. So this is your little hands-on activity for you guys to do yourself. I will do some winners that will get gift cards for the best egg drop videos and names and all of the stuff that goes along with it. So here is the mission that we went over in class. NASA has been increasing its missions to the International Space Station. The current re-entry pod that the astronauts use to return to Earth has proven flaws. NASA is looking for a redesign of their re-entry pod. Your engineering team is competing for the contract. So the objective is to create a model re-entry to present to NASA. So here are the parameters. This is what you need to do. So NASA needs a design that uses materials efficiently. The apparatus must be self-contained. So in other words, if you're going to make a parachute or make something, it all has to fit in the container, whatever you're doing. And the device must land on the landing site. So for you, it's wherever you're dropping it from, it should go straight down and it should not go flying off in any direction. Okay, so our process of how we're doing this is today you're going to research possible designs. You're going to tell me what you learned. And today you're going to sketch your designs. You could do it digitally or handwritten. That is up to you. You're going to choose your best design and then you're going to create it. So the creation and the actual test will be on Monday, December 14th, or you could work on it early, of course. So these are some materials that you should have around your house that you are able to use. Paper cup, plastic bottle, parachute material, which is like plastic. You can use grocery bags. You can use Ziploc bags, plastic wrap, straws, tape. You do need a raw egg that is representing our astronaut. String, glue you can use. You can use cushioning material like like paper is good cushioning material. Here is some possible websites. There are a lot more that you can kind of start as a research spot. So here's where it's getting graded. So the things that need to be done for Monday, December 7th, is you need at least 5 sentences of telling me what you learned about designing an egg drop device. So you can use these websites. You can find other places. 5 things you learned. So 5 sentences. That's what I did the bullets. You can, of course, have more. At this point, and it may change in the next week, but what are the materials you plan to use? So everybody's going to use the egg. But what are you going to do for cushioning? You can do an egg drop device with a parachute. You can do it without a parachute. Both work. And then for 12 points, obviously the most points is I want your sketch. Make sure it's specific in detail. You can upload a picture of your design with this assignment in Google Classroom. You can put the picture here. You can also do it digitally if you want to do something with like Google Drawing, that's fine too. Okay, and then once this is done, this is the assignment for December 7th. But if you'd like to kind of get ahead of yourself, really want to be competitive, start building, start testing, see if you need to do a redesign. But the device must be built and tested by December 14th, 2020. All right, guys, have fun. Hope you guys like this project.